Hey, what's up, guys? So this is the two-piece kill switch keys for jet skis and whichever ones this fit into. So I have personally a 2015 Yamaha Waverunner V1 Sport, and I'm gonna show you guys that it does work. So let's get it open. These are the ones that goes into your life vest. So if you do fall off, it'll clip right off. Instead of having it on your wrist, these are the ones that connects to your vest. And this is the kill switch key. Let me show you guys how it works. Okay, so this is the Yamaha V1 Sport, and you have your key. You slide it right into here. It'll clip right in, just like that. And I'm not gonna turn it on, but I'm gonna hit it once to show you guys it does work, because I'm inside of a garage. You can see that it turned on, and take the key off. Works amazing. Again, put it in, fits nice. You turn it on, and you're all set. Very good. And this part right here connects to your vest, and if you fall, it'll come right off. Awesome. Recommend them. It does work for a 2015 Yamaha V1 Sport Waverunner. Awesome. Okay, so when I went out with the jet ski, these keys are absolutely amazing. You see I connected it to right here, and there you go. You don't have no more on your wrist. You have it hanging right there. If anything happens, you fall off, it will kill the jet ski. Awesome.